Masugdan na gyud ang development construction sa basic airport facilities sa Mati City sa Davao Oriental. Kay kaganyang buntag, Pebrero 10, gihimo na ang groundbreaking ceremony sa proyekto nga gitambungan sa mga opisyal sa probinsyal ug lokal nga gobyerno. Sa milabay nga bulan sa Enero ning tuiga, nakig-meeting si Governor Nino Soteroy Jr. sa mga opisyal sa Department of Transportation aron masabutan ang himuong clearing operations sa airport. Sumala kang Governor Uy, dako potensyal ang probinsya sa turismo ug ang airport ang mahimong tulay sa mas maayong akses sa mga negosyo nga gusto mosulod sa probinsya.
In an archipelagic country like the Philippines, where our communities are separated by vast seas and oceans, having an efficient transportation system is not just a luxury, it is a necessity. Transportation has always been the lifeblood of connectivity. It binds our people, facilitates the flow of goods, supports industries, and fosters cultural exchange. And for a province like Davao Oriental, situated in the distant southeasternmost part of our beloved archipelago, this necessity is even more pronounced.
Dugang ni Uy, dugay na kining damgo sa mga taga Davao Oriental, hilabi na sa Mati City. Sinugdanan na sab kini sa new era sa travel o connectivity alang sa ilang probinsya.
Many years, Davao Oriental has been left out of much needed development and progress. This is not for lack of effort, but primarily because of the challenges posed by our geography. Land travel has been our main means of transportation. And while we have made strides in improving our roads, it still takes several hours for people to reach us and for our goods to circulate beyond our borders. The geographical constraints have held us back. But today, that narrative begins to change.
Nagtuo si Uy nga magdala og daghang oportunidad ingon man kalamboan sa probinsya ang pag-operate balik sa Mati Airport.
Davao Oriental will now be poised to become a vital hub in the transportation network. With this airport, we are unlocking new opportunities, connecting us to major cities across the country, facilitating the trade and tourism, and embracing the vibrant cultural exchanges that come with accessibility. This is a dream come true for the people of Davao Oriental. This airport is a vivid symbol of progress and hope for every Oriental Davaoenyo.
Matod ni Mati City Mayor Michelle Rabat, mas mapaasdang pa ang lokal nga ekonomiya ugaling mahingpit na ang Mati Airport Development Project.
The sustainability, the people invest, so may trickle effect talaga. Aside from the job generation, there's a lot. I used to work in an airport in Manaiya, so I have an idea how it operates. But the impact on the community alone, because of our tourism and the agriculture, it's not just bringing in passengers but bringing out our products, which is Mati is known to be part of the tuna highway. So there's a lot of potential there where we can connect with the international communities via Cebu, via Davao, or directly to Manila.
Dugang ni Mayor Rabat, andam na sab ang Mati City sa posibleng pagdagsang sa mga turista.
Challenge now for the city or the province is how to fill in the blanks, for our investors, for it to be sustainable for them as well, for not to close down because lack of tourists. Sometimes the high cost of the gasoline is not helping by land transportation. A lot opts to go to another nearer destination because Mati is quite far from the big city. It's kind of 167 kilometers away. So ang konsumo sa gasolina medyo mataas. Nag-slow down a bit, but holidays, we have our fair share. So this airport, definitely we know that it opens the horizons for all of us.
87.9 million pesos ang gipondo alang sa proyekto nga naglangkob sa landslide civil works para sa horizontal ug vertical nga istruktura. Apil sa tukuron ang passenger terminal building, parking area nga maka-accommodate og 40 hangtod 50 ka mga sakyanan, fire station building ug elevated water tank nga makatabang alang sa operasyon sa mga small jet ug turbopropeller nga mga eroplano. Gipasalamatan ni Governor Uy ang mga nangaging administrasyon sa probinsya kinsa nagpakita sa ilang dedikasyon sa airport development. Suportado sa DOTR o Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines (CAAP) ang development sa airport aron masiguro mamahimong malampuson ang proyekto. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines. Stay safe.